Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: how to add System Widgets Monitor in Windows 11. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding System Widgets monitors to your Windows 11 desktop, giving you real-time information about your computer's performance, network status, and more. These widgets are not only practical, but also visually appealing, seamlessly integrating with the sleek Windows 11 aesthetic. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To add the widgets to view system resources, you have to install the Dev Home app, which is available for the stable version of Windows 11 and preview builds. You can get this app from the Microsoft Store. Once you download and install the app, you can continue adding the widgets on Windows. To add CPU, GPU, and RAM widgets on Windows 11, use these steps. Open Widgets board by clicking the Widgets button in the taskbar, or use the Windows key plus W keyboard shortcut. Click the Add Widgets button in the top right corner. Choose the widgets to add, including CPU, GPU, memory, and network. Click the Close button. After you complete the steps, the widgets will appear in the left column. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.